that you can now download ChatGPT on Visual Studio Code? Well, let me explain. You can now use ChatGPT to become more productive. Then I will walk you through how you can install ChatGPT extension within your Visual Studio Code. So let's get right into it. Come over to Visual Studio Code, click on it. Come down right here to the extension store. That's the icon over there. Just click on it. Now, once you click on it, you see a search box right there. Yep, that's the search box. You're going to click on that search box. And in that search box, you are going to type code GPT. Once you type it in, now you can see the icon out. Yep, that is it. That is the name is called Code GPT. Yeah, no, they didn't call it ChatGPT because it's basically meant for coders. And seriously, this can really help you make your work more efficient, especially when you have errors or mistake, or you just want it to help you to write some few little codes. Seriously. Okay, go ahead and click on it. When you click on it, it appears like this. So it's still loading like this. Yep, still loading. So we wait a bit. Okay, so it's done loading. So that's how it looks like. Pretty cool. Come up here and click on install. Click on it. Once you click on it, it will start installing. It doesn't take that long to install, seriously, and it's pretty kind of light in a way. So after it's done installing, next thing we're going to do is we're going over to browser. Come over to Chrome. So take note, we have installed it, but now we need it to connect to the main ChatGPT. So what we're going for is an API. So that's why we need the browser, and that's where we're going online. So right here, type in openai. Yep. So I'm gonna put a link to openai in my description, so you can go right there and click on it. So make it much faster so that you don't need to type it again. So this is right here, it's opened up. Click on openai. Yep, go ahead and click on it. So when it opens up, you're gonna come up here to developer. Yep, that's where you're gonna come to. So come up here and click on developer. When you click on it, we're gonna have a drop down. Yep, so yeah, this is a drop down. So come over to API reference. This is what we need. So go ahead and click on that. Once you click on that, we're going to come over here to log in. Note, I already have an account with OpenAI. If you don't, go ahead and sign up. So I'm going to click on login. After clicking on login, we have this page, which I'm going to click on continue with Google, because I have a Google account there. So click on Google. Then we'll wait for it to process. Okay, now I'm logged in and you can see my profile picture right here. I'm going to come over here and click on my picture so that I can have the drop down menu come down and show up. So go ahead and click on the profile picture or the name beside it. After you click on it, we're going to have a drop down. In that drop down, we're coming over to view API keys. We're going to click on that. That's what we want. After you click on that, so once the page opens up, we're going to see create new security key. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, a security key will be generated for you. Copy that security key and go back to Visual Studio Code. I'm going to show you where you're going to paste that. And it's pretty fast for the key to generate. Seriously, look at it right here. So go ahead and click on that green spot. Yes, once you click it, it's copied. As you see, it's copied. Come over to Visual Studio Code. Yep, and as I said, now we're going to come down over to settings. You see that looks like a gear icon. Yep, that one. Just click on it. Once you click on it, we'll have a second menu appear. Click on settings. Now we are in settings. We're going to come over to this search box right here. The search box. Come over to that search box, click on it, and we're going to type code GPT. Once we type it in, automatically we'll have it appear. See, right here it says CodeGpt API. Now in this, there's a box right here. See that box? That's where you're gonna paste the APK key you just copied. Once you paste it there, yep, right there in that box, just paste it. After pasting it, you can now lock all the windows, these settings. You can close the windows, close everything, close this. After closing this, you can now come over. Okay, close this one too. We need to close this. So, okay, after closing it, you come over to Chatgpt. You can see the icon right there at the side. It's still processing. That's why we have that little round blue. Okay, it's done. Click on it. After clicking on it, we're going to have a search box. Look at it. That is it, guys. Now we know it's working. Seriously, we cannot type in questions or errors we might have in our code. It's like having a personal assistant helping us in our coding. Seriously, and this is really going to be nice. Now let me try testing it out. I'm still new and I'm putting my hand in the depths right now, just trying to learn more about this. Now I'm gonna try to write me a code with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript of a clock. Yep, I think that is cool. So after typing it in, I'm gonna press enter on my keyboard. Yeah, so that I just need to wait for the response. Well, it's probably gonna take like 5 minutes depending on your internet speed, because sometimes it could be slow. You have a very terrible internet speed. Okay, so typing it, I am done typing it. So now I'm waiting. That's not all you need to do, is press enter on your keyboard and it will start processing the input you just gave it. And just wait a little minute. Yep, and that's the result. So you can see right here, we already have an assistant. It's giving us the code. It's giving us some tips that we can use to code it. I'm probably going to learn how to get more direct so that I'll get the information I really want out of it. Okay guys, this is it. So this is how you can download ChatGPT into Visual Studio Code. Very cool. This is coming up with a new version of ChatGPT 4. If you have any other information or anything you want to know, go ahead and leave it in my comment box. And check out this video over here. Please go ahead, like and subscribe to my channel. Do have a great day.